Hello everyone. So today I will tell you question number 4 of exercise 8.1 trigonometry. So in this question we have to solve the value of sine A and secant A. So first 15 cot A is equal to 8 is given. Now we have to find out the value of sine A and secant A. Since 15 cot A is equal to 8, so from the right angle triangle ABC, we get cot A is equal to AB upon C, which is base upon perpendicular. So from here we get the value of AB and BC. AB is 8K and BC is 15K. Here K is some constant. Now in right angle triangle ABC, using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the value of AC, which is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse ka square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. So after putting these values of base and perpendicular, we get AC is square root of 289, which is equal to 17K. So sine A is equal to BC upon AC. After putting these values, we get 15 upon 17, and similarly secant A is equal to 17 upon 8. So finally we get these two values. Thank you. I hope you like this video.